Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I am just going to be showing you guys the process of me straightening my hair. If you are new to this channel, I usually wear my hair naturally curly. I really do like doing wash and goes, like that is my go-to style. Every now and again I will straighten my hair. This time around I used a new product as well as a new flat iron. So I am just gonna tell you guys a little bit about what I did to straighten my hair, and then you'll see in the video how I actually did these things. The product that I used, well, the new product that I used is the Color Wow Dream Coat. This is it right here, and I know this product like went viral because of the results. So I actually got these from Ulta, and that was around the time when they had these 50% off, so I ended up getting another one because since these containers are so small, I didn't really know like how much I would need, and you know, I consider myself to have a lot of hair, so I didn't want to run out during the process. So I ended up getting two, and I used almost a full bottle of this Color Wow. So what I did was I shampooed and deep conditioned my hair in the shower, and then I just went ahead and sprayed this in my hair as if it was my leave-in. I didn't put anything else in my hair. And what I did to blow dry my hair, I used the Rev Air. I do not have the newer version, but I do have the older version, and I still do love the Rev Air and will continue to use it. And I do prefer using the Rev Air dryer when I'm straightening my hair because I don't have to disturb my hair. I just put it in the little wand, and then once my hair is dry, just pull it out and it continues to stay smooth, and my cuticles are laid down, so I don't really have to disturb that. And so I feel that that gives me a better straightening process as well with my flat iron. So speaking of the flat iron, let's see, maybe a few months ago, I think it was during Ulta's beauty event, hair beauty event, whatever it's called. They had a flat iron that I was interested in, half off. So I immediately jumped on that deal, and the flat iron that I purchased was the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. It is the 1/2 inch size, and it is vented, and it goes up to 450 degrees, but this is what it looks like. And so I did get that. Let me just take it out of the box, and you will see in the video how I unboxed it for the first time. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I must say that I was really impressed with this flat iron, and I think that flat iron along with the Color Wow spray gave me the best silk press that I've ever done myself. And also with the purchase of that flat iron, you did get the free gift, and the free gift was the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Prima 2000 flat iron. It's a limited edition one, and this is what it looks like. And it's one of those like mini ones, and y'all, it is so cute. Let me just take it out so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's so cute, y'all. But this is what the size of it is. It's like a really small one. So I did get that one as well, and it comes with a little case for it as well. Super cute. So I did end up getting that as the free gift. So I felt that my purchase was, you know, a pretty good purchase for what I paid for it. And so as you can see, I basically just took my hair into small sections. I flat ironed them, and then I also trimmed my ends because it was definitely time for a trim. So I'm just gonna let you guys see the rest of the process as far as me straightening my hair and trimming my ends. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my straightening process. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I do have some new products. And it is specifically designed for achieving your best silk press. And I'm very excited to try these new products because I do love this brand. So if you want to see how those products will work for my hair and what kind of silk press it is going to give me compared to the one that I already showed you guys, make sure you are subscribed. And I want to thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.